Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I just wanted to give you an update on the GreenStalk. We're painting on my greenhouse, and I'm going to show you a little over there. Just give you a quick update. I can't promise I'll do this every week, but when something happens, we're going to see it. In the GreenStalk, I planted the chard, and it was already there. Put some seeds down in, but look at this. This is the radishes. It's 3-4 days, and the radishes are coming up. Isn't that awesome? And this one was radishes. So they're all coming up. Now, I don't see any lettuce. I put the last 3 tiers of lettuce. Well, wait. I see one little lettuce trying to come up, and that back there is a Malabar. Sorry. But one lettuce and one Malabar. We'll have more Malabar, I'm sure. So the GreenStalk is doing great. 3 days, and we have radishes. Alright, we're in my greenhouse. The turmeric I'm going to cut all off and hope up to overwinter because we'll be putting plastic on and letting the sides down. But look at this. Cucumbers. These two are the national pickling cucumbers that we planted in Danny's greenhouse that went crazy. So we're going to see how they do overwintering in Wanda's greenhouse. Danny's peanuts. This one is looking pretty awesome. This one came out and something nibbled on the leaves, probably a grasshopper, so we've got to get the plastic on to keep the grasshoppers out of the peanuts. The peppercorn is growing really great. I've done wound this piece up in here, and it's looking good. Look at the zucchini. They're already putting on little feelers, getting tall. I'd say about 12 inches already. So the zucchini is doing great. I just put these 3 out here last night. These are the blue Indigo series blueberry tomatoes. So we're going to see if I can grow them if this storm doesn't come in and destroy what I've got going on. Alright, these are the tomatoes that will come up from Danny's celebrities. These were hybrids, so they came up volunteer. We're just hanging on to them. These are the Egyptian walking onions. We're going to see how they do, but they're all looking awesome today. This is the other peppercorn. You can see it's growing, putting on new growth, looking awesome. This will be ready to go around before long. And look at this, more new growth. I'm really excited. This is another celebrity tomato. I'm not saving seeds, so I'm not worried. But look at this, guys, the piece de resistance here in my greenhouse. This is the bush okra. Look at it. Y'all, it's close to 3.5 to 4 feet tall. Doing awesome. The stalks are huge. And look at it. It's coming out everywhere. And look at the okra. You see? Everywhere. And I got a huge okra out here yesterday. It was about 10 inches long. Isn't that awesome? And look at this one. Little baby okra already. And this okra will get 10 to 12 inches long and still be edible. It doesn't get hard for a while. Isn't that gorgeous? So bush okra from Grow Family Network. This is pretty awesome, guys. I'm really excited. And I've got flowers down here. Again, I don't know what kind of flowers. I forget when I plant flowers what they are till they bloom. But y'all, I'm down there working on mine. I painted this on the outside. Danny's just put a piece up. We're going to paint it. We just had figs in September. Isn't that awesome? I'm loving my greenhouse and my GreenStalk. Alright guys, these 2 walls are painted. And we are ready to put my plastic on, only we're waiting on storms coming in from the Gulf. But isn't that awesome? And we put this row cover here to keep weeds from growing in here. We're going to fix all this to go from one greenhouse to the other. Isn't that awesome? Talk to you guys later.